A magic soup can relieve many problems, such as cold, flu, cough, fever, headache, and even COVID-19. But it is so simple. Only a few things: green onion, ginger, and garlic. After chopping them, put the chopped onion, ginger, and garlic into the pot with water and boil. That's it, very simple, but very powerful. Every time when I got cold or flu, I just eat the soup, no other medicine needed. Last year, all the people in my village were infected by COVID-19, they were recovered after they eat this soup. It is really amazing, moreover, it is almost free.